Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 28 Surah Al-Qasas. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Tasin Mim. These letters are one of the miracles of Quran, and none but Allah knows their meanings. These are the verses of the Manifest book. We recite to you some of the news of Musa and Fir'aun in truth. For a people who believe, verily Fir'aun exalted himself in the land and made its people sects, weakening a group among them, killing their sons and letting their females alive. Verily he was of the Mufsideen. And we wish to do a favor to those who were weak in the land, and to make them ruler, and to make them in the inheritors, and to establish them in the land. And we let Fir'aun and Haman and their host receive from them that which they feared. And we inspired the mother of Musa, suckle him, but when you fear for him, then cast him into the river, and fear not, nor grieve. Verily we shall bring him back to you, and shall make him one of our messengers. Then the household of Pharaoh picked him up, that he might become for them an enemy and a cause of grief. Verily Pharaoh, Haman, and their host were sinners. And the wife of Pharaoh said, A comfort of the eye for me and for you. Kill him not, perhaps he may be of benefit to us, or we may adopt him as a son. And they perceived not. And the heart of the mother Musa became empty, except the thought of Musa. She was very near to disclose his. Had we not strengthened her heart, so that she might remain one of the believers. And she said to his sister, Follow him. So she watched him from a far place secretly, while they perceived not. And we had already forbidden foster suckling mother for him, until she said, Shall I direct you to a household who will rear him for you and look after him in a good manner? So did she restore him to his mother, that her eye might be comforted, and that he might not grieve, and that he might know that the promise of Allah is true. But most of them know not. And when she attained his full strength and was perfect, we bestow on him hukam and religious knowledge. And thus we reward the Muhsineen. And he entered the city at a time of unawareness of his people, and he found there two men fighting, one of his party and the other of his foe. The man of his party asked him for help against his foe. So Musa struck him with his fist and killed him. He said, This is a shaitan doing. Verily he is a plain misleading enemy. He said, My Lord, verily I have wronged myself, so forgive me. Then he forgave him. Verily he is the of forgiving, the most merciful. He said, My Lord, for that with which you have favored me, I will never more be a helper of the Mujrimeen. So he became afraid, looking about the city, when behold, the man who had sought his help in the day before called for his help. Musa said to him, Verily you are a plain misleader. Then, when he decided to seize the man who was an enemy to both of them, the man said, O Musa, is it your intention to kill me as you killed a man yesterday? Your aim is nothing but to become a tyrant in the land and not to be one of those who do right. And there came a man running from the farthest end of the city. He said, O Musa, verily the chief are taking counsel together about you to kill you. So escape. Truly, I am one of the good advisers to you. So he escaped from there, looking about in a state of fear. He said, My Lord, save me from the people who are Zalimin. And when he went towards Madian, he said, It may be, my Lord guides me to the right way. And when he arrived at the water of Madian, he found there a group of men watering, and beside them he found two women who were keeping back. He said, What is matter with you? They said, We cannot water until the shepherd take their flocks, and our father is very old man. So he watered for them. Then he turned back to the shade and said, My Lord, truly I am indeed of whatever good that you bestow on me. Then there come to him one of two women, walking shyly. She said, Verily my father calls you that he may reward you for having watered for us. So when he came to him and narrated the story, he said, Fear you not, you have escaped from the people who are Zalimin. And said one of them, O my father, hire him. Verily the best of men for you to hire is the strong, the trustworthy. He said, I intend to wed on one of the two daughters of mine to you, on condition that you serve me for 8 years, but if you complete 10 years, it will be from you. But I intend not to place you under a difficulty. If Allah wills, you will find me one of the righteous. He said that between me and you, whichever of the two terms I fulfill, there will be no injustice to me, and Allah is a surety over what we say. Then, when Musa had fulfilled the terms and was traveling with his family, he saw a fire in the direction of Tur. He said to his family, Wait, I have seen a fire. Perhaps I may bring you from some of information or a burning fire brand that you may warm yourself. So when he reached it, he was called from the right side of the valley in the blessed place from the tree, O Musa, verily I am Allah, the Lord of the Alameen, and throw your stick. But when he saw it moving as it was a snake, he turned in flight and looked not back. O Musa, draw near and fear not. Verily you are of those who are secure. Put your hand in your bosom, it will come forth white without a disease, and draw your hand close to your side to be free from the fear. These were two burhans from your Lord to Pharaoh and his chief. Verily they are the people who were fasikin. He said, My Lord, I have killed a man among them, and I fear that they will kill me. And my brother Harun, he is more eloquent in speech than me, so send him with me as a helper to confirm me. Verily I fear that they will deny me. Allah said, We will strengthen your arm through your brother and give you both power, so they shall not be able to harm you with our ayah. You too, as well as these who follow you, will be the victors. Then, when Musa came to them with our clear ayah, and said, This is nothing but invented magic. Never did we hear of this among our fathers of old. Musa said, My Lord knows best him who came with guidance from him, and whose will be the happy end in the hereafter. Verily the Zalimin Polytheism Polytheists and disbelievers in the oneness of Allah will not be successful. Pharaoh said, O chief, I know that not you have an ilah other than me, so kindle for me, O Haman, to bake clay and set up for me a shara in the order that I may look the ilah of Musa. And verily, I think that he is one of the liars, and he and his host were arrogant in the land without right, and they thought that they would never return to us. So we seized him and his host, and we threw them all into the sea. So behold, what was the end of the Zalimin? And we made them leaders inviting to the fire, and on the day of recreation they will not be helped. And we made a curse to follow them in the world, and on the day of recreation, and will be among al makbuhin makbuhin are prevented from receiving Allah's mercy or any good. And indeed we gave Musa, after we had destroyed the generations of old scriptures, and you were not on the western side when we made clear to Musa the commandment, and you were not among the witnesses, but we created generations, and long were the ages and passed over them, and you were not a dabbler among of the people of Madian, reciting our verses to them, but it is we who kept sending, and you were not at the side of the Tur when we did call his call, or that Allah called Musa, but as a mercy for your Lord to give warning to the people to whom no warner had come before you, in order that they may remember or receive admonition, and if not, in case of calamity, should seize them for their hand have sent forth, they would have said, Our Lord, why did you not send as a messenger? We would then have followed your ayah and would have been among the disbelievers. But when the truth has come to them from us, they say, Why is he not given to like of what was given to Musa? Did they not disbelieve in that which was given to Musa for old? They say to kind of magic, each helping the other, and they say, Verily is both we are disbelievers. Say, then bring a book from Allah which is better guide than these two, Torah and the Quran, and I may follow it if you are truthful. But if they answered you not, bring the book for believe in your doctrine of Islamic monotheism, then know that they only follow their own lust, and who is more astray than one who follows his own lust without guidance from Allah. Verily Allah guides not the people who are zalimin. And indeed now we have conveyed the word to them in order that they may remember those to whom he gave the scriptures before it. They believe in it, and when it is recited to them, they say, We believe in it. Verily, it is the truth from our Lord. Indeed, even before it was, we have been from those who submit themselves to Allah in Islam as Muslims. These will be given their reward twice over, because they are patient and repel evil with good, and spend out what we have provided them. And when they hear al-lagh, they withdraw from it and say, To us our deed, and to you your deeds. Peace be to you. We seek not the ignorant. Verily you guide not whom you like, but Allah guide whom he wills, and he knows best those who are guided. And they say, if we follow the guidance with you, we would be snatched away from our land. Have we not established for them a secure Makkah, to which are brought fruits to all kind of provision from ourselves, but most of them know not. And many a town we have destroyed, which was thankless for its means of livelihood, and those are their dwellings which have not been inhabited after them except a little. And verily we have been the inheritor, and never will your Lord destroy the towns until he sends to their mother town to a messenger reciting to them our verses, and never would we destroy the town unless the people there are Zalimeen. And whatever you have been given is an enjoyment of the life world and its adornment, and hereafter which is with Allah is better and will remain forever. Have you then no sense? Is he whom we have promised an excellent promise, which he will find true, like him whom we have made to enjoy the luxuries of his life, the world? Then on the day of recreation he will be among those brought up. And remember the day when he will call to them and say, where are my partner whom you used to assert? Those about whom the word will have come true will say, our Lord, these are they whom we led astray. We led them astray, and we were astray ourselves. We declare our innocence before you. It was not us they worshipped. And it will be said, call upon your partners, and they will call upon them, but they will give no answer to them, and they will see the tournament, if only they have been guided. And remember the day Allah will call of them and say, what answer gave you to the messengers? Then the news will observe to them on the day, and they will not be able to ask one another. But as for him, we repented believe and did righteous deeds, the life of this world, then he will be among those who are successful. And your Lord creates whatsoever he wills and chooses, no choice have they. Glorified is Allah and exalted above all that they associate. And your Lord knows what their breasts conceal and what they reveal. And he is Allah, La ilaha illahu. He is all praise and thanks in the first and in the last, and for him in the decision, and to him shall you be returned. Say, tell me, if Allah made the night continuous for you till the day of recreation, which ilah beside Allah could bring you light, will you not then hear? Say, tell me, if Allah made the day continuous for you till the day of recreation, which ilah besides Allah could bring you night, wherein you rest, will you not then see? It is not out of the mercy that he has made for you the night and the day, and you may rest therein, and that you may seek of his bounty, and in order that you may be grateful. And remember the day when he will call to them and will say, where are my partner whom you used to assert? And we shall take out from every nation a witness, and we shall say, bring your proof. Then they shall know that the truth is with Allah, and he is the lies which they invented will disappear from them. Verily, Quran was of Musa. Qarun was of Musa people, but he behaved arrogantly towards them, and we gave him of the treasure that of which keys would have been a burden to a body of strong men. Remember, when his people said to them, do not exult Verily Allah likes not those who exult, but seek with the wealth which Allah has bestowed on you the home of hereafter, and forget not your portion of lawful enjoyment in the world, and do good as Allah has been good to you, and seek not mischief in the land. Verily Allah likes not the mufsideen. He said, this has been given to me only because of the knowledge I possess. Did he not know that Allah had destroyed before him generations? Men have were stronger than him in might and greater in the amount they had collected, but the mujrim will not be questioned of their sins. So he went forth before his people in his pomp. Those who were desirous of the life of the world said, ah, would that we had to like what of Qarun has been given. Verily he is the owner of the great fortune. But those who had been given knowledge said, woe to you is better for those who believe and do righteous good deeds, and these none shall attain except those who are as-sabirin. So we caused the truth to swallow him and his dwelling place. Then he had no group or party to help him against Allah, nor he was one of those who could save themselves. And those who had desired his position the day before began to say, know you not that it is Allah who enlarges the provision or restricts it to whom whosoever he pleases to his slave. Had it not been that Allah was gracious to us, he could not cause the truth earth to swallow up us up, and knows you not that the disbelievers will never be successful. That home of hereafter we shall assign of those who rebel not against the truth with pride and opinion in the land, nor do mischief, and that good end is the muttaqin, whosoever brings good. He shall have the better thereof, and whosoever brings evil, then those who do evil deeds will only be required for what they used to do. Verily, he who has given you, ordered you to act on its laws and preach it, will surely bring you back to Mad. Say, my Lord is aware of him who brings guidance and of him who is in manifest error, and you were not accepting that the book would be sent down to you, but it is a mercy from your Lord. So never be a supporter of the disbelievers, and let them not turn you the ayah of Allah after they have been sent down to you, and invite to your Lord, and be not of al-mushrikeen, and invoke not any other ilah along with Allah. La ilaha illahu. Everything will perish except his face. His is the decision, and to him you shall be returned.